shall not stir this house.
Caesar shall forth. I can do what I want.
A lioness hath whelped in the streets, and graves have yawned, and yielded up their dead. In ranks and squadrons and right from war, which drizzle blood upon the capital.
Caesar! Caesar! This is a miss, but interpreted. I mean, would you trust your wife? Look at her face.
Ew, gross.
It's ugly.
Yeah, I know.
This is a fool.
I agree.
We'll go to the Senate before the break of dawn. Ooh.
Doth not Brutus kneel before me?
Let my hand speak for me.
Et tu, Brutus, then fall, Caesar.
My room.
Liberty has prospered.
My master sees Caesar.
What?
My master sees Caesar.
What?
My master sees Caesar.
Oh, yeah, okay, go ahead. Send him in, send him in. Send him in.
What, Brutus?
It's pretty good.
What art thou, Caesar?
Hey!
What do you want?
Hey! We're bringing him!
Oh, my Caesar. Oh, Caesar. Caesar.
Bring him. Hey, we're bringing him. We're bringing him. Hey, we're bringing him.
That bad news, Brutus?
Hey,
What comes of Portia?
just dead. It's suicidal. Just kind of ugly. So I'm not that offended. I'm not that upset.
Hey. Ah! Thy, Brutus.
What?
We shall meet.
What?
We shall meet.
What?
We shall meet in Philippi.
Okay, go. Jeez. Ghosted.